The human life starts from a single zygote, having two cells which comes from father and mother. A sperm comes from father, fertilize the ovum in oviduct. Once one sperm enters the ovum, then zona pellucida stops other sperm to enter. 8-cell stage embryo is called morula. Fertilized egg is implanted in the fundus part of the uterus, blastocyst stage, which occurs 5 to 6 days after fertilization. At this stage, HCG hormone, human chronic gonadotropin hormone, comes from female blood into urine that will be sampled for pregnancy test. Embryo gets nourishment from mother through placenta. Primary streak appears after 15 days. Heart of embryo starts beating and circulating blood by 21 to 22 days. Limbs bud are formed in by 31 days. Face appears by 37 days. External genitalia are formed by 53 days. Miniature human form by 56 days. Once baby is delivered from the mother uterus, he should nourish by colostrum, that is milk produced by mother just after birth, because it contains IgA antibody. Organisms that reproduce sexually, the union of ovum with a sperm result in a zygote or fertilized egg, which undergoes a series of division called cleavage as it passes down the fallopian tube. After several cleavages have taken place, the cells form a hollow ball called a blastula. In most mammals, the blastula attaches itself to the uterine lining, thus stimulating the formation of a placenta, which transfers nutrients from the mother to embryo. In lower animal, the embryo is nourished by the yolk. By the process of gastrulation, the embryos differentiates into three types of tissues: the ectoderm producing the skin and nervous system, and the mesoderm from which develop connective tissues, the circulatory system, muscles and bones, and the endoderm which forms the digestive systems, lungs and urinary system. Mesodermal cells migrates from the surface of embryo to fill the space between the two tissues through an elongated depression known as the primitive streak. As the embryo develops, the cell layers fold over so that endoderm forms a long tube surrounded by mesoderm with an ectoderm layer around the whole. Nutrients pass from the placenta through the umbilical cord and the amnion, a fluid-filled membrane, surrounded and protect the embryo. The division of body into head and trunk becomes apparent, and the brain and spinal cord and the internal organs begins to develop. All these changes are completed yearly in embryonic